Learn from Estate Planning Misfires, Celebrity Edition. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. Drop any questions you may have, and we will do our best to get back to you. This is part 2 about Philip Seymour Hoffman. He had an estate plan that designated his partner as his beneficiary, followed by a trust for their son. However, they had 2 more after-born children, and he did not update his estate plan. Now, his partner did survive him and therefore was the beneficiary. But if that had not occurred, the court would have been involved in determining any distribution to those 2 after-born kids. So, 2 underlying stories and mishaps here. First, make sure you review your estate plan, especially when life shifts. And if you are still in childbearing years, make sure you list the kids as a group rather than individually so you don't leave anybody out. Estate planning